Hi everyone, I'm 𝗔𝗣𝗣𝗟𝗑. I'm the owner of 𝗨𝗩𝗙𝗚𝗓, which is an independent horror bookstore. I also own a services company called 𝗨𝗩𝗘𝗚𝗓𝗏. 𝗨𝗩𝗘𝗚𝗏 offers services for independent authors and publishers, like designing covers, formatting books, building e-commerce solutions, making brands, building merch, etc. Since 𝗨𝗪𝗓𝗏 is more or less a DIY site, where authors upload their own work and format everything and design everything, I get a lot of complaints from customers. The biggest complaints are it's formatted wrong and I can't read it, the cover's wonky and totally pixelated. So I wanted to start doing tutorial videos to teach you guys how to do this stuff really easily. On this first episode, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a wrap print cover on Amazon. It's a really easy and quick process, and if you follow these steps, you're solid gold.